Robots are no longer a thing of the future, they are here. We see them in factories. They help build our cars. Robots are even in our homes. Some vacuum our floors, others mow our lawns. These robots are just the beginning. The field of robotics is rapidly evolving. New innovations are happening every day. These advancements are making robots smarter. They're also becoming more versatile. Robots are becoming more affordable. This is making them accessible to more people. Businesses are also taking advantage of this. They are using robots to automate tasks and improve efficiency. The future of robotics is bright. It is full of possibilities. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a game changer. It is transforming many industries. Robotics is no exception. AI is allowing robots to learn from their experiences. This ability to learn makes them adaptable. They can handle new situations. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work safely alongside humans. They are changing the way we work. Cobots can handle repetitive tasks. This allows human workers to focus on more complex tasks. Soft robotics is another exciting development. Soft robots are made from flexible materials. This makes them safer for humans to interact with. Soft robots are being used in healthcare. They are also being used in delicate manufacturing processes. Scientists are working on new algorithms. These algorithms allow robots to handle objects more deftly. Robots will soon be able to pick up an egg without breaking it. They can even thread a needle. The possibilities are endless. Robots are transforming industries across the board. In healthcare, robots are assisting surgeons. They are also helping with patient care. Robots deliver medications and monitor vital signs. Manufacturing is another sector being revolutionized by robots. They are used for assembly line tasks. They also perform quality inspections. Robots are increasing productivity. They are improving efficiency in factories around the world. Agriculture is also benefiting from robotics. Robots are being used to harvest crops. They are also being used to plant seeds and control weeds. Robots are helping farmers increase their yields. They are also making farming more sustainable. Space exploration is another frontier for robotics. Robots are exploring planets and moons. They collect data and send it back to Earth. Robots are helping us to understand the universe better. The future of robotics is full of promise. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated robots. They will be able to perform even more complex tasks. This will create new opportunities. There will be new jobs in the robotics industry. Robots will also make existing jobs safer and more efficient. However, there are also challenges. One concern is job displacement. As robots become more capable, they may replace some human workers. This is something that needs to be addressed. We need to ensure that workers are prepared for the future job market. Another challenge is ensuring that robots are used ethically. We need to make sure that robots are not used in ways that harm humans. The future of robotics depends on our ability to address these challenges. If we can overcome these challenges, the future of robotics is bright. Robots have the potential to make our lives easier. They can also make the world a better place.